Go!
So we're gonna make, I know we're gonna do some exercise.
Yeah. So some exercises you guys like.
I'm training my mouth.
We can make an angle for the chair. Yes, we also make some angles.
Yeah.
You can come here.
We are perfect. Yeah. We are sexy.
Yes.
Sexy, sexy.
But we are normal.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
We are not normal. Okay, Joshua, which pizza are we?
I don't know.
No, this is on the fish.
They
I
eat
think
no
so,
pizza.
yeah.
Maybe this too. And this too, no? Oh, that's chicken.
Yeah, the chicken.
Oh, we only have one. Okay, this is yours.
Pizza
No,
for you.
this is okay, I think so.
Okay, don't touch this.
No, it's good.
For us.
Don't want pizza.
Do you want this?
Mm.
Or you want shrimp first?
Yes.
Okay.
No, no, it's good. It's good. Well, let's try it. Yeah, it's sweet.
Yeah, it's just weird.
It's
Don't
sweet.
put it in internet again.
It's just like.
No Instagram, no Facebook, no contact.
Yeah,
Like
like
I am, but I am, we're gonna post it in YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, you see.
That's sweet, right?
Hmm?
It's sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet.
You know, it's not too strong. This one is very bad. I like this one.
You go. You can have it all.
This one is room, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What happened? You find this one?
It is hot.
Ah, yeah.
No, it's not hot, man, not hot.
Man, not hot.
Yeah.
Missing Jing Tian today.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't want to eat, but I want to drink.
Yeah, that's right. Just a little because we just not much.
Oh, yeah. And we can eat, drink, have a bit. We could share this. Okay?
Okay.
You don't want to eat? I'll just have it in. You're crazy. Crazy people. What?
Music?
When you wake up tomorrow, message me. Yeah.
So, what's bed tomorrow?
Oh no, message. Yeah. You're not going somewhere. You're not doing anything tomorrow.
Hmm?
Kalina's going somewhere tomorrow. Right?
Very good. Sorry. I think you can really. Well, what do you do?